Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In this video, I'll explain how you can fix repost option that is not showing in TikTok. So first you have to make sure your TikTok app is updated. Go ahead and open your App Store, Play Store, look for TikTok and make sure it doesn't show the update button. If it does, go ahead and update it. If not, open your TikTok app. From here, click Profile on your bottom right. Then click on the three lines on the top right. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Privacy. Now scroll down and look for Repost in the interactions. Now once you see the Repost option, make sure it is turned on. On my end, it is not yet available in my region, so we will just have to wait for the rollout. And that's about it. That's how you fix Repost option not showing in TikTok.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.